Hi friends, this is Mrs. Avanzato. I know some of you, but I might be new to some of you as well. I am the librarian at Marlboro and the 4th and 5th grade center, and I'm going to show you how you can look for books in our library on our library catalog. So I am at the Upper Perkiomen School District website, and from here I'm going to go to our schools and 4th and 5th grade center. You can also look for books the same way at any of the other schools. Then if you hover over academics, you can click library. And from here you have to choose which library you are searching. So we'll search the 4th and 5th grade center library first. And you will click catalog. So the catalog is what holds all of the information about all of our books. So there are some different ways that you can search. If you have a keyword or a specific title or a specific author, you can always search using some of these icons down here. But for example, if you are looking for maybe information on a specific animal, you could type in dog and click keyword, and it will show you books all about whatever you typed in. So you will have to decide if you're looking for a fiction book, if you'd like a story about a dog, or a nonfiction book, if you would like to learn more about dogs, and decide what exactly you are looking for. So some things that came up were Dog Man, those are graphic novels, lots of Dog Man, and a couple of fiction books. I know that they're fiction books because in the call number they have an F, so those are chapter books. And if you're looking for nonfiction books about dogs, you would need to find a call number that is nonfiction, that they would have numbers. So that is the way that you can search for things, and there are multiple pages of dog books, as we have lots of books about dogs. You might be looking for a book that has a specific title. For example, the Diary of a Wimpy Kids are really popular in our library. So I can search for Diary of a Wimpy Kid, click title, and all of those will show up. So the other thing you'll need to look for is the availability. Over here on the right, it tells you if that book is available or not. So for example, this book is not available, so you wouldn't be able to request that today. But we could certainly check another week and see if it does show up. But if the book is available, then it should be in the library ready to go. When you want to do a new search, you just click catalog again, and you can search for something that you're looking for. So I hope that you are able to use this. If you have any questions, please let me know. And I'm looking forward to pulling some books and hopefully sending them over to you guys soon. And maybe I will see you in person this year someday. We'll see if our schedules can make that happen. All right, have a great day.